This YouTube channel publishes super simple YouTube shorts. It's only 9 months old. It gets an average of 43,000 views per day. And by promoting this link in their bio, they make around $10 per 1,000 views. So that is around $430 per day. Hey guys, what's up? Greg here, and I'm gonna show you how you can do the exact same thing using YouTube Shorts. Step 1, go to this channel or any other channel that you'd like to copy. For this video today, we're going to be using the motivation niche as an example. This type of content generally appeals to people who want to get a better life and start doing better financially. So that's the type of content that I'm going to be showing you how to make today. Once we make the content and it starts going viral, the way to monetize these YouTube views is to promote a link for a related offer. This particular channel here promotes this link as an affiliate, so they make commissions for any sales that they refer. So let's take a look what kind of content we're going to be making. Let's open this short. As you can see, extremely simple but extremely effective. It's had 5.3 million views. For editing, we're going to be using a program called CapCut. It's free. Type in CapCut download it and install it. Then start a new project and you'll see that the first thing that we need to do is to import your footage. So we'll need this sort of footage. We'll need some footage of partying and then also some footage of luxury sort of lifestyle. Head over to pexels.com and look for some footage of partying and then some footage of luxurious lifestyle. Check them out and download the ones that you like. Partying in the nightclub. So just click this to download it. Of spring break, let's download this one too. Then maybe we'll want some footage of Ferrari or some other expensive luxury type of footage. Let's look at the structure of this video. In order to make it scrollable, you can go to this URL here and instead of shorts, you delete that and type in watch and it will open this short in this kind of format where you can scroll through. So we can see here that the footage changes about once every 2 or 3 seconds. So we can do the same with our video as well. The whole video is about 15 seconds, so we can aim for that. Okay, so we've imported our videos. Let's just start arranging them. Okay, so first let's edit these settings. We need to make sure that the project is vertical like a YouTube Shorts video. So we can click this modify button and under ratio, let's choose 9:16. We can leave all the other settings as is. Let's now start arranging the footage. So let's drag the footage of this party over here. And we'll now need to make sure that it fits into the vertical format. So you can do that by dragging the sides of it. Okay, so now it's like this. We just need to keep about 2 seconds of it. So find the part that you want to keep. I'm gonna keep this part. So I'm gonna put a split here and then I'll move this and I will put a split here and then I'll delete the parts that I don't want anymore. So let's delete this one and delete this one. So we're only keeping this the first about 2 seconds of the footage. Next, let's put the footage of the nightclub. Again, let's keep the part of the footage that we want. Maybe I will go here when it gets a little bit brighter. Let's adjust the size of it again. And now I'm just going to put a cut here. And then again, I will go forward by about 2 or 3 seconds and I'm going to put a cut here. And again, I'm going to delete the parts that I no longer want. Lastly, let's add this footage here, which kind of shows that partying too much can lead to having a job that's not so glamorous in the future. People partying, then people dancing, and then how that leads to a job that's not so glamorous. And then we'll now need to build this part, which is how you and me in 3 years, how we're going to be achieving all of this success. So first I'm going to drop in the clip with the money counting machine over here. So again, let's just make this bigger. All right, so we've got everything laid out here. We now just need to add the text. You can use any of these presets over here. I'm just going to grab this one here and let's just drag and drop. So we can change this text to say everyone else in 3 years like this. A good font to use for this is this one here called the bold font. Let's adjust the size of it just to make sure that it actually fits in. So like this looks pretty good. Let's just preview this in full screen. Yeah, so this font size seems pretty good. And let's extend where the text appears for the whole party scene. And then you will just want to copy and paste the same font and change it to say you and me in 3 years. So let's do that now. 3 years, like this. Okay, and what we've got now is these 2 parts of text. One saying everyone else in 3 years, showing people partying and then working their job. And then from here, it changes to you and me in 3 years, counting money, getting into luxury cars, and then being in this really cool, awesome place. So the video is ready. It was super quick. Now just go ahead and download it. You can do this with going to File and then Export. The best way to upload these type of shorts is through the YouTube app on your phone. So just get that MP3 file of your video onto your mobile phone. You can use AirDrop or Google Drive. And then click the plus button at the bottom and choose your footage. Okay, so we've got our whole video over here. So let's click done. And at this point, you'll actually be able to add sounds. Currently, you can only do this through your phone. When you click sounds, you'll be able to select all of the trending sounds. You can see that there are recommended and there are top sounds. And for each one of them, YouTube will actually tell you how many shorts are using this sound. So make sure that you choose a trending sound because that will guarantee that you get the best chance of getting the most viral views. And there we go, we've got our short uploaded. So let's just preview this. Make sure to give a title and a description to your short. If you're not sure what to do, check the other channels that you are trying to be inspired by and see how they've done it. We can see the title for this one says a lot can change in 3 years. We can do something similar. So let's call it where do you want to be in 3 years? Then we can put the same hashtags as the other ones used. And for the description, we can write something like this. Who do you want to be? Party animal who ends up working a dead-end job or an entrepreneur? Your choice, choose wisely. Click the link in bio to learn more. That last part is very important because in your bio, you should be inserting your affiliate link where you will be promoting a product that is relevant to the niche of your channel, that teaches people how to be successful, how to make more money or save more money, something that is relevant to your channel. If you want to learn all of the advanced methods that I personally use on my YouTube shorts, as well as on my Instagram and TikTok and Facebook accounts, you can go to viralgreg.com, and from there you will be able to access my course where we're showing how we're making close to $1,000 a day with short form videos, short form video content. You can see all the information here. This is some of the results that both my partner Alan Sehovic from the Smart Money Tactics channel and myself are achieving on our channels using short form content. I've got over 10 million views on short form content in 2023. I got over 10 million views in 2023 with short form content. And so far 2024 is shaping up to be a huge year for my short form content. We've had this course for a period of time and our students are also reporting excellent results with short form content because it's just really exploding right now. You can watch some of the video testimonials here on this page as well. Now guys, this is a small preview of what is actually included inside the course. And you can see that under the modules, we've got 13 different modules covering everything from niche research, what kind of video creation process you can follow, how to post your content on all of these social media platforms, as well as how to monetize this content. In the course, we're including both the training. There are over 50 video training modules for you, as well as coaching, mentoring, and mastermind. So we've got a private Facebook group where we're personally helping everybody to achieve the right results. Whenever someone is stuck or they have a question, we're there to help. YouTube Shorts on my own channel, many of them have had millions and hundreds of thousands of views. I've also had quite a lot of reels go viral on my Instagram account. So if you want to learn how I achieve similar results to this, then just head over to viralgreg.com, and from there you will be able to access this course. I hope to see you inside the course, and if not, then I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.